Welcome to Crypto Horizon. In today's video, we're diving into the exciting world of MEXC Global Exchange. If you're looking for a comprehensive cryptocurrency trading platform, MEXC is definitely worth considering. MEXC Global Exchange stands out due to its user-friendly interface, advanced trading features, and a wide selection of cryptocurrencies to trade. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, MEXC provides you with the tools to navigate the crypto market effectively. With an array of trading pairs and high liquidity, it ensures that you can make transactions quickly and at competitive prices. One of the key benefits of using MEXC is the enhanced security features. Your assets are protected with state-of-the-art security protocols, ensuring a safe trading environment. Additionally, MEXC offers various trading options, including spot trading, futures trading, and staking, allowing you to diversify your investment strategy. But that's not all. When you sign up for MEXC Global Exchange, make sure to use my referral code 12K4M5. By doing so, you will unlock additional privileges and benefits that can enhance your trading experience. This code may provide you with discounts on trading fees or even exclusive promotions tailored to elevate your trading journey. Using my referral code not only benefits you, but also supports the community we're building here at Crypto Horizon. It allows us to continue creating valuable content and sharing insights with all of you. So, whether you're looking to trade Bitcoin, explore emerging altcoins, or engage in futures trading, MEXC Global Exchange is a fantastic choice. Don't miss out on the opportunities this platform offers. To sum it up, join MEXC Global Exchange today. Use referral code 12K4M5 and unlock your trading potential. Subscribe to Crypto Horizon for more insightful content, tutorials, and the latest news in the cryptocurrency space. Happy trading, and see you in the next video.